Hi, I'm Lila, and this is Mommy.
And this is Lila's Homeschool, and today we are going to use the learning table to learn about, what are you learning about?
Animals.
Farm animals.
And then I want to do another
Turn it on.
Okay.
Hooray! Let's have some fun.
It says, hooray!
Touch an animal to learn.
Touch an animal to learn.
The piglet is the baby of the pig.
Good.
The pig likes to play in mud and uses her snout to find food. The calf is the baby of the cow. The cow is black and white and gives milk to make cheese.
It makes little squares.
It makes little squares.
Yeah.
Squirrel. Barn. Barn. Let's spell B-A-R-N. Barn.
How do you spell Lila?
I want to do this.
Okay, but do you remember how to spell Lila?
Or the back. The school bus brings students to and from school.
Can you tell me how to spell Lila like you did earlier?
A-M-O-I-L-A.
Perfect! Good job! Now what are you doing here? It's the town map.
Yeah.
The police car brings bad guys to the police station.
Bad guys.
Where's the police station?
Police station. This is where police officers work.
Where's the fire station?
The school
Nope.
is the place we go to study and learn. Fire station.
Right.
This is where firefighters stay
Now
when
I
they are
can put
working.
on the roof.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Traffic light. This is where
Whoa.
vehicles stop when it is...
Well. Now Daddy's home, so let's pause our video for a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Say see you later.
See you